Traveling as a woman is exhilarating. It's also important to be prepared. Safety is key to enjoying any adventure. Let's explore some simple but effective tips to stay safe. We'll cover everything from packing to navigating unfamiliar cities. Remember, confidence comes from knowledge and preparation. These tips will empower you to embrace the open road. Travel smart and travel with confidence. Your next adventure awaits. There's nothing quite like the feeling of arriving in a new place. The sights, the sounds, the smells all combine to create an unforgettable experience. Let's make sure those memories are good ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel safety tips. Visit our website for detailed guides and resources to keep you safe on your travels. Packing light is always a good idea, but it's also a smart safety tip. A heavy bag can slow you down. It can make you a target for theft. Pack only the essentials. Choose versatile clothing items. Opt for a crossbody bag or backpack. Wear it in front of you. This keeps your belongings safe and close. Remember, practicality is key. Consider a money belt or hidden pouch. These are great for keeping cash and important documents secure. Pack a small whistle or personal alarm. These can be lifesavers in an emergency. Keep them easily accessible in your bag. When booking accommodations, safety is paramount. Choose well-lit and reputable hotels or guest houses. Read online reviews from other female travelers. Their insights can be invaluable. Request a room on a higher floor. Avoid ground floor rooms. They are more susceptible to break-ins. Familiarize yourself with the hotel's layout. Locate emergency exits and fire escapes. Upon check-in, ask the staff about safe areas to walk, especially at night. Inquire about transportation options. Choose accommodations with 24/7 security or reception. This provides an extra layer of safety. Section 4. Navigating New Horizons. Transportation tips for the savvy traveler. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time visitor, these tips will help you navigate any city with ease. Getting around a new city is part of the adventure. Embrace the journey and make the most of your experience. Opt for reputable taxi companies or ride-sharing services. These options are often safer and more reliable. Before getting in, verify the driver's information. Check the license plate and driver's ID to ensure they match the details on your app. Share your route and estimated arrival time with a friend or family member. This adds an extra layer of security. If using public transportation, stay alert. Keep an eye on your surroundings and be aware of any unusual activity. Be mindful of your belongings. Keep your bag close and secure, especially in crowded areas. Avoid traveling alone late at night. If you must, stick to well-lit areas and stay vigilant. During the day, crowded buses or trains are generally safer. They offer more security due to the presence of other passengers. When walking, stick to well-lit and populated areas. These are usually safer and reduce the risk of encountering trouble. Avoid shortcuts through dark alleys or deserted streets. These areas can be risky, especially if you're unfamiliar with the location. Project confidence in your stride. Walk with purpose and make it clear that you know where you're going. This can deter potential harassers. Confidence is key to staying safe and enjoying your travels. Section 5. Stay sharp, stay safe. Situational awareness on the go. Whether you're in a familiar neighborhood or exploring a new city, staying aware of your surroundings is essential. Staying aware of your surroundings is crucial. It helps you notice anything unusual and react promptly. Avoid walking with headphones in. This simple step ensures you can hear what's happening around you. This keeps you alert to potential dangers. Limit distractions like texting or browsing while walking. Keep your phone out of sight when not in use. Trust your gut instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. If a situation feels off, remove yourself. Don't hesitate to change your route or enter a store to stay safe. Head to a well-lit area or seek assistance. Well-lit areas are generally safer and make you more visible. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Taking a moment to assess your surroundings can make a big difference. Remember, your intuition is a powerful tool. Trust it and act on it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Locals often know the safest routes and can offer valuable advice. Whether it's a local, a police officer, or a fellow traveler, people are generally helpful. They can provide directions or assistance. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need directions, assistance, or feel unsafe. Your safety is paramount, and there are always people willing to help. Section 6. Your instincts, your guide. Trusting your gut on the road. Traveling solo as a woman is empowering. It allows you to make your own decisions and follow your own path. It's also a chance to connect with yourself and the world around you. Reflect on your journey and appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. By staying informed and taking precautions, you can minimize risks. Always be aware of your environment and trust your instincts. Embrace the freedom of travel. Celebrate your independence and the unique experiences you encounter. Share your itinerary with someone back home. Check in regularly. This keeps your loved ones informed and reassured. This provides an extra layer of security. Knowing someone is aware of your plans can give you peace of mind. Remember, you are not alone. There is a community of travelers out there. Millions of women travel safely and confidently every year. You are part of a global sisterhood. Traveling is about embracing the unknown. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone. It's about pushing your boundaries and discovering new perspectives. Engage with the local culture and try new things. So pack your bags, book that ticket, and go explore the world. Adventure awaits. The world is full of endless possibilities. We'd love to hear about your travel experiences. Share your stories and tips in the comment box below.